Shalom, this is the weekly update for the home renovation project of the home that we are currently working on, and I can't wait to show you what we've done this week. Go. So this week the air conditioning fellas came and got that done. Here is, my husband has been working on this room. We've got paint on the walls. He's been doing cutting. So, of course, cutting takes a good bit of time before you roll it out. Woo, and I'm gonna trip on stuff. But yes, that dark blue is awesome. Nothing really done in here, except that the primer has been put on the walls and already looks better. This is all the trim work, all laid out. This was put in there, of course. My husband did paint this. It's kind of funny. He says, okay, well, we gotta, you gotta pick all your colors for the house, but the bathrooms need to be done first. So I need you to pick out the colors. So in here, I'm doing black and white stripes on the wall. So all I needed was white. And he's like, oh. So he was kind of feeling good about being able to show that there was some progress done, right? Well, I picked white in here. So, and we've got black and white check floors coming in. That's going to be done Tuesday or Wednesday of this week. We've got shelving going to be put in there. Of course, this is the vanity and the toilet we got this week. This has been painted the primer color. We are very excited about that because like I said, we have gotten the paint for the whole house. And here's the color for the kitchen, that teal blue. Oh, it's going to be so nice. And for in here, we're going to have burnt orange. Very exciting again. This wall is going to be navy blue. And I'm also doing some stenciling on that wall. Actually, it will be, this welcome wall will be navy blue. This wall navy blue. And that back wall navy blue until we get the mirrors installed. This wall all the way upstairs and all the hallway is going to be a grayish tan. The children's homeschool room, medium room, which is next to the which is this room in here, that room in there, that one is going to be a light, and it's like an antique blue, not quite a denim blue, but that is going to be in that room as well as our son's room, our youngest son's room upstairs. This is the upstairs bathroom. This one is going to be kind of like a dark gray because my flooring, the grout, is going to be a dark gray. All the appliances are going to be white. So I think that contrast will look really good. This is the room that's going to be that blue. That room, I don't know, we might do the same color as the kitchen. Depends on how well that turns out. If not, that's going to be a lighter teal, kind of like a Tiffany blue in that room. Again, the whole hallway is going to be that tannish brown. This room is my daughter's room, the oldest daughter. So I'm thinking, what color did she pick? Oh, goodness. Oh, she picked a gray. So that's going to be her room. It's a very windy day here on the Eastern Shore. This room is going to be a dark teal. It's like a, yeah, a dark teal. And of course the upstairs is not finished. So there you go. That's what's been done this week. I failed to mention that we've gotten word from our contractor that they will be finishing up, prayerfully, the roof this coming week. So that's very exciting. But yes, so yeah, I'm very excited. And we are still looking for a floor, someone to come and refinish the wood floors. So Shabbat Shalom and bless you.